This is Em's eating for the first time. She loves it. Not very easy to video record and do at the same time. Oops, we missed some. Yes, we did. We missed some. Rice, cereal, and milk. Breakfast of champions. Okay, let's go for another bite. Okay, are you ready, Ems? Are you ready? Oh, yummy. Yummy. Keep in mind, she's already full. So this is quite impressive. You want some more? You want some more? Okay. Good job, Emma. Good job. So I think it's either March 9th or March 10th. First day of Emma eating food. Oh, definitely not the last. Making a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Good job, Emma. I think I should have made more food. Here we go, another bite. Oh, yummy. Yummy. Yeah, is that good? Is that good? She likes chewing on the spoon, too. Wish there was a way I could put this down. Okay. One more bite and then we're going to put down the video camera. One more bite. Mmm. Okay, that's Emma's eating for the first time. She couldn't be happier.